Now that you are aware of the evolution of display advertising, let us take a look at the different types of display advertising. There are two types of display advertising, namely contextual and behavioral advertising. Contextual advertising is advertising on a website or other media. In contextual advertising, the advertisements are selected and served by an automated systems based on the identity of the user and the content displayed. Behavioral advertising is an advertising technique that is used by the online advertisers to target ads to the customers by collecting information about the customer's browsing behavior to select and display ads. It comprises of a wide range of technologies and techniques used by online website publishers and advertisers aimed at increasing the effectiveness of advertising using user web browsing behavior information. There are different types of banner ads and they vary in size, but the purpose of it is all the same. Web banners are the typical graphical ads displayed within the web page. Pop-up or under ads are the typical ads that are displayed in a browser window that opens above a website visitor's initial browser window. A floating ad is a type of rich media advertisement that appears superimposed over the requested website's content. Frame ads are the typical ads that are incorporated within a website by setting aside a particular space on the web page. An expanding ad expands to larger size from smaller size after user clicks or moves the cursor over the banner. A trick banner is a typical banner ad where the ad copy imitates some screen element such as an operating system message or popular application message to induce ad clicks. Interstitial ads are full-screen ads that cover the interface of their host app. Shown here are some of the display ad sizes for your understanding.